That's all I can get. Apparently that was torque. So, even CJ said I couldn't do it. That's plenty torqued. Check it out. It did a thing. It's a My 1020 troller. For all you naysayers, I have no idea. But that's okay, because I'm not afraid. Don't be afraid to try something. I hate hearing why you can't do something when you haven't even proven to me how to do it. So, don't be negative. Look for the positives and try. The worst thing that you can do is, I don't know, innovate, be a leader, do something new, make a product, start a whole market, have a whole bunch of competitors do the same thing that you're doing but not half as good, and then all of them tell you that you're junk while they copy your products and sell it. So you never know. It's worth a shot. Try. We're going to try this out tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and put a clamp on it now to see how it goes. All right. We've got a pack hooked up. We're using a razor controller. I don't even know if it's in the right direction, but I do know it's wired up. You ready? Oh! It ain't straight, but I really don't care. I bolted it down and it should work. Let's see what happens. We'll bolt it up to the boat in the morning.